Hello, lovely audience and viewers watching from the comfort of your homes. You're welcome to the 4th episode of the maiden edition of Elomaths quiz competition. This competition is that Elomaths 120 seconds challenge. At Elomaths, we groom children to become mathematic thinkers or think mathematically. We'll go for a quick break. When we come back, we get to know our contestant for the day. You're welcome back from the break. It's now time for us to know who the next contestant for this competition is. Let's take a quick look at our next contestant for today.
I didn't like maths. All I want to be is an optician. I thought all it required was to check people's eye and fit glasses. My heart broke when I was told to make accurate correction of vision, you need maths. I cried. My parents recommended Elomaths, and since then, maths and I are friends, and that makes me happy. My name is Semefa, 9 years and in class 3, student of Unique Child International School. Thank you.
You're welcome, Semefa.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
Yes, I'm good.
All right. Are you ready for 120 seconds challenge?
Yes.
All right, we'll see about that. Let us not forget that we are supported by Precious Heart Montessori School, Precious Heart, Love in Heart, Knowledge in Mind. We are also supported by Doman's Food, specialized in yummy, delicious donuts. They are located at East Legon, Dansoman, and then Tema. You can call them on 0240-298-271. We are also supported by iApport, the learning app which gives children the opportunity to learn the local language such as the Evertree, etc. You can get them on Google Play Store by just downloading it on your phone to sign your child on. And here in round 1, we are going to test our contestant to answer 15 questions within 120 seconds. I have with me 3 sets of questions over here. Which of the colors do you like?
Yellow.
So the 120 seconds challenge begins. Now flip your paper. Get set. Alibaba bought 2 pairs of brown shoes for 103 Ghana cedis and a pair of socks for 7 Ghana cedis. How much did you pay altogether?
110 cedis.
110 cedis is correct. There are 19 students in class 2 and 31 students in class 3.
50 students.
50 students is correct. There are 13 boys and 27 girls. 40, that is correct. Amma has 47 blue colored pencils and 23 pink pencils. How many colored pencils is Amma having?
70 pencils.
70 is correct. Nanayao has 32 shirts. 9 of the shirts are blue. How many shirts are not blue?
23.
23 is correct. Kojo's grandpa is 52 years old. His grandma is 8 years younger. How old is?
44 years.
44 years is correct. Kofi saved 9 Ghana cedi on a storybook that cost 112 Ghana cedi after bargaining. How much did he pay for the storybook? Next question. Suka got 8 cedis discount off his 45 Ghana cedi basketball kit he bought from the mall.
37 Ghana cedis.
Yes, he paid 37 Ghana cedi. Adam is 7 years younger than her brother Ernest, who is 12 years old. How old is Adam?
5 years.
5 years is correct. Out of 105 students who sat for the mathematics examination, 98 students passed. How many students failed?
7 students.
7 students, that is correct. Calculate 10 minus 5 plus 9. 14 is correct. Calculate 100 minus 47 plus 70.
123.
That is correct. Calculate 100 minus 60 plus 10.
50.
That is correct. What is 180 plus 20 plus
250.
250 is correct. What is 46 plus 18 plus 2 plus 4? 70 is correct. So that brings us to the end of round 1. Let's take a short break, and when we come back, we'll get to know how the scores stand. You're welcome back from the break. At the end of round 1, Semefa had 70 points, and this one was done or carried out within 110 seconds. Let's clap for her. Yes, the more reason why you need Elomaths to help you be smart in numeracy. If you're a parent and you are watching out there, kindly call the number on the screen so that you get yourself registered. If you're a school and you also want to get your school enrolled on Elomaths, you can also do same. Right about now, we are moving to round 2. Once again, she will be expected to answer 15 questions within 120 seconds. And here, we are going to test her in the concept of multiplication and its application. Semefa, are you ready?
Yes.
With me, I have 3 sets of questions over here. Which one are you going for?
Blue.
The blue. Okay. Get set. Flip. There are 10 holes with
420.
420 minus is correct. How much will it cost Sarah to buy 5 bottles of soft drinks at 4 Ghana cedi each?
16 cedis.
16 cedis is correct. Land Rover has 8 pieces of 5 cedis note. 40 cedis is correct. How much money will you pay for 6 bottles?
54 cedis.
54 Ghana cedis is correct. 18 bought 2 packets of ice chocolate for 44 Ghana cedis. 88 cedis is correct. There are 8 rows with 8 desks in each. How many desks are there in the class?
64.
64, that's correct. Multiply 6 by 6. 36 is correct. 7 groups of 8 oranges is
56.
56 is correct. A farmer has harvested 224 bags of rice in the first year. He doubled it in the second year. How many bags of rice did he? 448 is correct. A school had 10 buses for a fun fair. If each bus 570 is correct. What is 8 times 9?
72.
That is correct. If it takes 3 pegs to hold 1 dress on a line, how many
pegs
can 7 dresses hold? Okay, 21 pegs is correct. What is 3 times 4?
12.
12 is correct. What is 7 times 4?
28.
That is correct. Anna is 9 years old. Kofi is doubled Anna's age. How old is Kofi?
18.
18 is correct. And that brings us to the end of round 2. We'll go for a quick break. When we come back, we'll get to know the scores for Semefa. You are welcome back from the break. And at the end of round 2, Semefa had 75 points. Let's give it a lot of applause. Yes, fantastic display of mental arithmetic. This is made possible in Elomaths. And here in Elomaths, we groom young children to think mathematically in order to be able to solve practical questions in their daily life. We are about to move to round 3 of the segment. But let us not forget that we are supported by Precious Heart Montessori, Precious Heart, Love in Heart, Knowledge in Mind. We are also supported by Dough Man's Food, specialized in yummy and delicious donuts. And then also iAprep, an app that will help you to also understand your local language within the shortest possible time. We are about to move to round 3. And with me are 3 sets of questions for round 3. And you have to select one.
Orange.
Orange. Are you ready?
Yes.
So 120 seconds challenge begins now. You can now flip your paper. 2 is an odd number, true or false? False is correct. What is 100 more than 80? 180 is correct. What is 10 less by 100?
90.
90 is correct. What is the largest whole number that is greater than 12? 18 is correct. If you have 4 numbers, 12, 17, 21, and 27, which of these numbers is more than, okay, that is correct. Which of these numbers is out of order? 16, 20, 24, 25, 28, and 32.
25.
25 is correct. How many months make 1 year?
12.
12 is correct. Which of these numbers are not even numbers? 1, 3, 6, and 7.
1, 3, and 7.
1, 3, and 7 is correct. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 10 times 5. True or false?
False.
False is correct. 1 hour has 60 minutes. True or false?
True.
That is correct. Which month comes before December?
November.
November is correct. What will be the time if the hour hand is between 3 and 4 and the minute hand is 3:30 is correct. If the boat has 4 legs,
60.
how many legs will 4 have? That's correct. If Kofi cuts 1 yard of rope off the row, how many feet? Okay, that is correct. Zinabo has 4 boxes of mangoes. 3 of the boxes each have 100 mangoes. The 4th box has 18 mangoes. How many mangoes does Zinabo have?
318.
318 is correct. And that brings us to the end of this round. Let's go for a short break. When we bounce back, we get to know how the scores stand. You're welcome back from the break. At the end of round 3, Semefa had 75 points. This is made possible only in Elomaths. If you like what you are seeing and want your child to also develop the same fantastic skills in handling questions or solving mathematical questions, then kindly call the number on the screen. We are about to move to round 4. Yes, mind-boggling questions. Here is the round that children will be required to use 120 seconds once again to answer a logical question. Now the contestant, Semefa, will now be given a container to pick her question from. So let's begin with our round for today. Right. So Semefa, come closer and then pick one of the papers in the container. All right. So in this round, you can also grab your pencil and pen in the house and then solve the question alongside with us. When she is done, you can also compare the answer with yours as well. Are you ready? This is your question. Jennifer is 2 years younger than Sarah and 2 years older than Kate. Jennifer is 2 years younger than Sarah, and Jennifer is 2 years older than Kate. If Kate is 8 years old, if Kate is 8 years old and Sarah is 12 years old, how old is Jennifer?
So they said Jennifer is 2 years younger than Sarah, and Sarah is 2 years older. And they also said Kate is 8 years. That means Jennifer, you subtract 2 from the 12, which is 10. That means Jennifer is 10 years.
So how old is Jennifer?
10 years.
10 years. And 10 years is correct. Let's go for a quick break. When we bounce back, we get to know how the scores stand. You're welcome back from the break. And at the end of round 4, Semefa had 10 points. And the total score for Semefa is 230 points. And on this note, we say, Elomaths, hello to math. My name is A.O. I'll meet you next week. Bye-bye.